Giant Isopod. When people first see giant isopod, many think it is a huge giant bug hiding on the ocean floor, yet it actually exists on Earth. It usually lives in the dark regions of the ocean at depths of 500 to 2,000 meters or even deeper, where sunlight does not reach. Its hard shell and armor-like covering all over its body protect it in the harsh environment of the deep ocean. Their main food consists of dead fish, whale remains, and organic matter accumulated on the ocean floor. Because food is not always easy to find, it can survive for a long time without eating. Compared to many other marine creatures, it moves slowly, but its ability to find food is extremely effective. When it senses danger, it curls up its body like a pill bug and tries to protect its soft parts. Its body can function normally even under the immense pressure of the deep ocean, where most animals cannot survive. Imagine a giant isopod the size of a football suddenly walking slowly in front of you on the completely dark ocean floor. Scientists believe that its body structure has changed very little over millions of years, so it is often called an example of a living ancient creature. Because human presence in the deep ocean is very limited, new information about the lifestyle of giant isopod is still being discovered. Because of its strange appearance, remarkable endurance, and ability to survive in the deep ocean, giant isopod is known as one of the most mysterious marine creatures on Earth. Gulper Eel. The huge mouth of Gulper Eel is what makes it the most different from other deep-sea fish, because its mouth is incredibly large compared to its body. It usually lives in the dark waters of the ocean at depths of 1 to 4,000 meters, where sunlight never reaches. Its long and slender body helps it move through the deep ocean while using very little energy. Their main food consists of small fish, shrimp, squid, and various tiny creatures of the deep sea. When prey comes in front of it, it opens its mouth extremely wide and can try to swallow prey even larger than its own body. Compared to many other fish, its lower jaw can expand much more, which makes it a unique predator. Because food is scarce in the deep ocean, whenever it gets the chance, it eats a large meal and survives for a long time on that energy. At the end of its slender tail, it has a light-producing organ, which may help attract prey in the dark water. Imagine a gulper eel suddenly appearing in front of you in the complete darkness of the deep ocean with its huge mouth wide open. The sight would amaze anyone. During danger, it quickly moves into the deep darkness, where it is extremely difficult for predators to find it. Scientists are still conducting new research on the hunting techniques of gulper eel, its light-producing organ, and its adaptation to the deep ocean. Because of its unusually large mouth, mysterious deep-sea life, and unique hunting ability, gulper eel is known as one of the strangest fish on Earth. Sea pig. The pink, soft, and unusual body of sea pig makes many people think it is not a sea creature, but a life form from another planet when they first see it. It usually lives on the seafloor several thousand meters below the ocean surface, where there is only darkness and immense pressure all around. Its soft and flexible body helps it adapt easily to the extreme environment of the deep ocean. Their main food consists of organic particles accumulated on the ocean floor, tiny microorganisms, and the remains of decaying organisms. In search of food, it moves very slowly along the ocean floor and collects nutrients from the surrounding sediment. Compared to many other deep-sea creatures, it can sometimes be seen living together in large groups. Its small tube-like legs help it move easily across the soft ocean floor. It plays an important role in keeping the deep-sea environment clean because it helps maintain the balance of the environment by feeding on the organic matter accumulated on the seafloor. Imagine hundreds of sea pigs slowly moving across the ocean floor in the deepest darkness on Earth, yet most people have never even seen them. During danger, it cannot escape quickly, so it tries to stay as safe as possible by blending into its surrounding environment. Scientists are still conducting new research on the life cycle of sea pig, its adaptation to the deep ocean, and its role in the marine ecosystem. Because of its unusual appearance, important role in the deep ocean, and remarkable ability to adapt, sea pig is known as one of the most amazing marine creatures on Earth. Sarcastic Fringehead. Sarcastic Fringehead looks like an ordinary small fish, but it becomes incredibly aggressive when defending its territory. It usually lives in the rocky coastal areas of the Pacific Ocean, inside empty shells, burrows, and abandoned pipes. Its most special feature is its huge mouth, which it can open incredibly wide in an instant. Their main food consists of small fish, shrimp, and various tiny marine creatures floating in the water. When another fish comes very close to its shelter, it immediately opens its mouth wide to try to intimidate its opponent. When two sarcastic fringeheads face each other, they often compete by opening their mouths as wide as possible instead of biting. Being able to display such a large mouth often forces the opponent to back away without a fight. Compared to many other fish, it does not like to move very far from its own shelter. Imagine a fish hiding quietly inside a small hole in the ocean, suddenly appearing in front of you with its huge mouth wide open. During danger, it quickly enters its burrow to take a safe position and comes out again when the opportunity arises. Scientists are still conducting new research on its territorial behavior, mouth structure, and communication strategies with rivals. Because of its unusually large mouth, bold nature, and unique defensive behavior, Sarcastic Fringehead is known as one of the strangest-looking fish on Earth. Stargazer Fish. The most unusual aspect of the stargazer fish's lifestyle is that it spends most of the day hiding beneath the sand while waiting for prey. It usually lives on sandy ocean floors, in shallow coastal areas, and in warm waters. Its eyes and mouth are located on the top of its head, so it can easily observe its surroundings even while hiding beneath the sand. Their main food consists of small fish, shrimp, crabs, and other small marine creatures. When prey comes close, it suddenly emerges from the sand and attacks. Compared to many other fish, it does not chase its prey but patiently waits for the right moment. Some species of stargazer fish also have the special ability to produce electricity, which can be used for hunting or self-defense. Since most of its body remains hidden beneath the sand, nearby creatures often do not even realize its presence. Imagine that you can only see two eyes on the ocean floor, while the entire fish is hidden beneath the sand right in front of you. During danger, it quickly buries itself deeper beneath the sand to keep itself safe. Scientists are still conducting new research on the hunting technique of stargazer fish, its ability to produce electricity, and its adaptation to living beneath the sand. Because of its unusual hunting method, perfect camouflage, and remarkable physical characteristics, stargazer fish is known as one of the most mysterious marine fish on Earth. Red-Lipped Batfish. The bright red lips of red-lipped batfish make it one of the strangest-looking fish in the ocean, attracting everyone's attention at first sight. It usually lives on the sandy and rocky seafloor around the Galapagos Islands. Unlike many other fish, it does not swim for long periods, but slowly walks along the ocean floor using its modified fins. Their main food consists of small fish, shrimp, crabs, worms, and various invertebrates found on the ocean floor. While searching for food, it patiently observes the seafloor and quickly catches prey whenever it gets the chance. It has a special organ on top of its head, which it can use like a lure to attract prey. Although it is famous for its bright red lips, scientists believe that this feature may also play a role in mate selection or species recognition. Its habit of moving along the ocean floor gives it a completely different lifestyle compared to most other fish. Imagine a strange fish with bright red lips slowly walking across the sand under the ocean, as if it were a land animal rather than a sea creature. During danger, it quickly tries to take shelter behind nearby rocks, corals, or other objects on the ocean floor. Scientists are still conducting new research on the unusual movement of red-lipped batfish, its unique body structure, and its role in the marine environment of the Galapagos Islands. Because of its unusual appearance, unique habit of walking on the seafloor, and rare bright red lips, red-lipped batfish is known as one of the most amazing marine fish on Earth.